Hello and welcome to the 33rd episode of our weekly Unity tip roundup, where we take a look at the tweets that were posted or mentioned on or around each Tuesday under the Unity Tips hashtag. Long time no here. After a week at both DevCom and Gamescom in Cologne with many interesting people, nice talks and friendly faces, we are back with some Unity tips from the awesome Unity community. Some of you even visited our booth at Gamescom and specifically asked for our printed Unity tip cards. We really appreciated it. So thanks again for being such a nice community. In this episode we gathered 5 of the tweets that were posted, shared or retweeted around 23rd and 30th of August 2022. Once again we start with our very good friend Mirza. He now has passed 11,000 followers on Twitter. Congratulations on reaching that impressive milestone. If you are using TextMesh Pro, his tip is maybe especially useful for you. Did you know that TextMesh Pro supports rich text tags? You can include formatting options within your text strings. This includes altering the font, material, size and many other things. Mirza embedded a video in his tweet. Just check the link in our description. For the first time here with us is the Italian dev team Matfh.INverseLerp. Hi and welcome. They are a learning and research group about game dev, AR, VR and Unity 3D with over 1,500 followers on Twitter. Their contribution is a video with a very nice Unity tip. If you want to move your agents, don't try to mess around with anything other than the agents move method for custom movements. For more information, check the video clip. Thanks to Matfh.INverseLerp and we hope to see you here again in the future. And another new face in our weekly Unity tip video. Trevor Mock is making game dev tutorials on YouTube. He also is the creator of The Path of Ren, a 2D jump and run game you can wishlist on Steam right now. At this moment he got 830 followers on Twitter. He got a very cute tip on how you can create an audio dialogue similar to Animal Crossing. You know, this gibberish sounds. This is such a nice idea we had to put it in our list for our weekly tips. If anyone uses this for their projects, please let us know. Tore, also known as Tamulur, is another new candidate in our Unity tip roundup. He is a freelancer from Berlin who is interested in games, educational software and he is learning Chinese. It's awesome to see so many new faces week by week joining the Unity community and sharing their tips via tweets. Tore has 244 followers on Twitter. Maybe we could help him to get past 250 followers? Wouldn't that be nice? So he has a tip to avoid randomly selecting the same element from a list twice in a row. In his screenshot he shows us a small code example. Maybe this is something for you? Anzi is another new Twitter account who is joining the Unity Tips community and our videos. He doesn't put so much information in his Twitter bio, but he is making games. 150 followers are with him on Twitter on his journey of being a game dev. He has a very short but useful tip. Use emojis in comments and strings. Sometimes this can help your eye to find specific parts quicker. Thanks and we hope to see you again soon. As usual, here's a tip from us. And it's very current because it's something we used in our latest project. With Matfh.INverseLerp you can map the real-time minutes to your in-game days. 24 minutes mapped to 24 in-game hours. If you are working on an RPG or a simulation, this could be a nice addition to your gameplay. Please also check the comments for a little bit of discussion about the method itself. We wish we could also skip time and fast forward things. Speaking of skipping time, thanks for not skipping this video. You now got 5 useful tips and hints for your next Unity project. Maybe you knew them already or maybe you learned something new today, both is nice for us. But keep in mind, this is only possible because of those nice people from the active Unity community. They posted their tweets via the Unity Tips hashtag on Twitter week after week. New faces and old veterans. Some weeks we got people in our video that you already know because they are in almost every video. In other weeks we have loads of new candidates, like in this week. We are happy in both cases. So please be kind and check their accounts, follow them and leave some likes here and there. And if you are still in the mood of sharing more appreciation, you can visit our YouTube channel and watch all the other Unity tip episodes from our series in a handy YouTube playlist. If you find them useful and you like them, please think about subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos. For any questions, comments, recommendations or requests, please use the comment section. Thank you for your time and see you next week.